One of the world's most important trade routes, the Strait of Hormuz, is now facing extreme uncertainty. From ordinary cargo ships to massive oil tankers, everything is standing at the edge of a major crisis. Due to the escalating tensions between Iran and the United States, this Middle Eastern waterway has become the center of global attention. The situation has reached such a level that it could have long-term impacts on the global market system. Iran has now set clear conditions for normalizing ship movement through the Strait of Hormuz. The Deputy Chief of Staff of the Iranian President's Office, Sayed Mehdi Tabatabai, stated that the route will not be reopened until the damages suffered by Iran due to the conflict are compensated. According to Tehran's plan, a new legal framework will be introduced to impose special transit fees on ships passing through the strait to recover these losses. On the other hand, the situation has become more complicated following threats of attack from U.S. President Donald Trump. Iran claims that Trump's threats are nothing more than inappropriate remarks stemming from political frustration. Iran's mission to the United Nations has taken the matter seriously, stating that threats to target civilian infrastructure are a direct violation of international law and amount to war crimes. Major global powers are concerned about this instability. China's Foreign Minister Wang Yi, in a phone conversation with Russia, emphasized that only anti-war efforts can resolve the crisis in this waterway. International analysts believe that if a diplomatic solution is not reached quickly, oil prices could skyrocket. The question now is whether Washington and Tehran will sit at the negotiating table or whether their conflict will push the entire world into a massive economic crisis. The whole world now waits for the answer.